I'm going to mix these colors with the primary colors. The primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. And you can see on the color wheel how they are mixed to make the other colors. To make purple, you know you mix red and blue. But it can be a reddish purple or a bluish purple. So this looks more of a reddish purple to me. So when I mix my colors, they'll be more red than blue. Yikes, look how dark that turned out. So I'll need to add some white. More white even than I have of that purple. This one looks like more of a bluish purple, so there's more blue than red. Again, way too dark. Let's add a bunch of white. It's a little too blue, so I'll add some red. Too dark, so I'll add some white. Still too dark? And now it's almost too blue, so just a trace of red. Wow, I'm having trouble with this one. Maybe a little bit more red. Pull it back to the red. And some more white. Let's see how this works. I think I'll go with that. Nah, maybe a little more white and blue at the same time. This one is a very light yellow, so start with white and add a trace of yellow. More white, and this time a trace of blue. So why did I add that trace of blue? Out of the package, the yellow will probably come slightly orange yellow or slightly greenish yellow. The primary colors need to be as pure as possible, but usually they're one side or the other. And so I wanted to drag that just the tiniest bit to the green side, so I add just a trace of blue to tug it over there. Hey, we're getting good. Let's go for a twofer on this one. Blue to make it green and white to make it lighter. I would like to add more yellow. And since it's the pure yellow, it will darken it up. You would think I would add more yellow, but I'm actually going to add some red. It will be dull and darken it up a little. Yep, I like it. This is basically just a darker version, but I'll show you on the color wheel. Is it on the blue side of green or the yellow side of green? Since I think it's on the yellow side of green, there'll be more yellow than blue. Still too much blue. That's more yellow. And the same thing on the other one. It needs to be warmed up a little. It needs to be a little dull. So I'm going to add some red. Thank you for watching. Please come visit me over at Patreon.